friends, welcome back to my channel. This is my first makeup tutorial video. So let's get started. First of all, clean face with any clean cloth or cotton. Then apply primer or moisturizer. Personally, I use moisturizer. After applying moisturizer, take a cotton and dab it on face so it will dry fast. Then I am going to use Lakme 925cc cream. I use 1 drop of Lakme CC cream. Always remind that whenever you apply any cream or foundation, make dot first. For blend it, use any kind of sponge, but yes, make sure that it will wet sponge. Remove excess water off from it, then use it. Make sure that your sponge is soft. Next is compact powder. You can also use loose powder. It is for set your CC cream neatly. After applying compact powder, use that previous sponge from which you apply your CC cream. So it will remove your excess of compact powder. Next I am going to do my eye makeup. I choose pink and purple shade. It is shimmery eyeshadow. I use very light shade. I do very light eye makeup. I am doing very light shade eye makeup. I use pink shade in my inner corner and purple at outer corner. Now it's done. Next is eyeliner. I'm using Lakme Iconic Eyeliner. I apply bold eyeliner. Now eyeliner also done. Then I make my eyebrows from same eyeshadow palette, choosing black and brown eyeshadow. Now it's done. Now I'm using two shades of lipstick. First I apply orange lipstick, then cherry color lipstick. Second lipstick is homemade DIY lipstick. So I give link of that video. You can check it from description box. Please ignore that background song. Now you also know that this is the wedding season and this is the sound of DJ. Last step is highlighting. I'm using Swiss Beauty highlighter. Same high. Same highlighter I used on my eyeshadow. It gives a different beautiful shine. As you can see it. Now I'm just wearing my earrings. Now this is my final look. If you like this video then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.